Morning, y'all. So, wanted to get on. I've got some noises coming from the chicken coop. Do you hear it? I've got a rooster who's starting to crow. And it's so cute because it's kind of like boys, like preteens and teenage boys when their voice drops or how they squeak. So his crow is so raspy and real low still. And I'm hoping I can catch it on camera for y'all because it's so cute. But if they hear me, he might not grow anymore. So we'll see if I can get him. Which one's crowing? I think it's you, Stella. I think Stella's is a roo. I haven't seen them crow though. What y'all doing? Oh, it rained, didn't it? Hi, babies. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. What y'all doing? Hey, baby. Hey. I think you're the rooster. I think Stella's the roo. Stella, you're not a girl, are you? He's got more pronounced facial features. What are you doing, Peep? What are you doing? You looking for something to eat? Huh? I don't know. I'm new to this chicken thing. I'm waiting for them to crow in front of me so I can be sure. He doesn't have the... I think it's you. I think... Hey, that's my finger. It's you, isn't it? I knew it. So, y'all let me know what you think. I think this is a rooster. I'm not 100% sure, but I've been hearing the crowing. It's okay, isn't it? Yeah, look at your little gobblers. Yeah. I think we should probably rename you. Oh, your heart beating so fast. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, the cat hears me. You're okay, Aaron. You're okay. What are you doing? All right, it's all right. I think out of my silkies, I think this black one. It's okay. I think he might be a roo too. Out of my silkies, out of what I've read and researched, I think he might be a Roo as well. This is Ying. Can I get your pretty blue ears? Or your... No? Sure are pretty. There's one. Hi. He's definitely got a further furrier top. And a comb. Good boy. Or whatever. Alright. Good boy. What are you doing, cat? What are you doing? So, let me know what y'all think, because I'm not quite sure. So, I have a feeling my gut is the black one, Ying, and the black spotted one, Stella, is a boy. And I don't know how that works with silkies. If I can have two Roos, if they're different breeds. I have a feeling that's probably not gonna go over very well. So, yep, that's what we're doing. Y'all have a wonderful day. Stay cool in this heat. We'll see you soon.